People think that Tesla's safety feature starts and ends with autopilot, and that is wrong. Your Tesla is protecting you in ways that most owners never check or even bother to turn on. That's why in today's video, we're going to unlock 11 hidden safety features that people are ignoring and exactly how to find them and turn them on. So let's dive right into the video. Whenever you're driving, so happen if you drift out of your lane without signaling, your Tesla can actively steer you back into your lane. And that's called emergency lane departure avoidance. And we're going to come right over here to the menu. And from the menu, you're going to go where it says autopilot. And from autopilot, you're just going to scroll down right here where it says emergency lane departure avoidance. And you just want to make sure that that's toggled on. And just know that your Tesla also has an emergency feature called automatic emergency braking. And this will allow your car to brake, just say if an emergency should happen, if another car jump out in front of you, a pedestrian or a cyclist get in the way, because your Tesla reaction time is greater than what a human reaction time would be. Anytime you get into a situation like that, seconds can save lives. In order to turn this feature on, come down where you said autopilot, and from autopilot, you're going to come down right here, automatic emergency braking. Just be sure that's toggled on. And this works at low speeds as well, where most accidents seem to happen. Whenever you're traveling inside of your Tesla, if you need to switch lanes for any reason, you will be able to see the blind spot camera right on your screen. This is super important because what happens is, by default, it's going to be off. So you see right now, my signal is on, but nothing is happening. So what you want to do, from the menu, come where it says display, and you want to toggle on where it says automatic blind spot camera. Just toggle that on. Now I'm going to cut on the signal again, and you can see that the camera now is showing the blind spot here in the car. And you can also move it to different locations too. God forbid that you get into a car accident here in your Tesla and your airbags are deployed and you are not able to get to your phone. Your car can actually call 911 for you. It does use Bluetooth connection, and it will go through your cellular device, because in an instance like that, you never know if your car get hit and your phone fly in the back and you're unable to get to it, but you still need help. This is how we will turn this on. From the main menu, we're going to go where it says safety, and after safety, scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see right here automatic 911 call, and just make sure that that's toggled on. And cabin overheat protection prevents dangerous interior temperatures that can affect people, pets, and also electronics. And you can find this information right here, and you can do all your customizations. So right here, you can have cabin overheat protection with off, no AC, or just on. I have mine on, and the approximate temperature that cabin overheat protection will cut on. Right now, we have 90, 95, or 100 degrees. But just know, if you're on a very hot summer day and you want to conserve your battery more, you may want to put it on like no AC at 100 degrees or something like that, just to keep the air moving inside of the car. But that will eat up your energy consumption. Just want to put that out there. But this is dealing with safety and not just comfort. And a great thing with your Tesla is that you do have dash cams on the car. Whenever I say dash cams, a lot of cars may just have the one in the front, but you get a 360-degree view around your car, and you can have this to automatically turn on. So to set this to auto, we're going to go to safety, and on the safety menu where you see dash cam, you can have it off, manual, on honk, or auto. So I'm just going to leave mine on auto, or if I honk the horn as well. Plug in a USB drive, and this is instant evidence should anything occur. And not only with the dash cam, it's also Sentry as well. And that's pretty much a security system, camera system for your Tesla. So whenever you're not around your Tesla, it's still going to record any activity. The great thing I like about this is that the USB port is locked up inside of your glove box. So if someone like break a window, they still can't take the evidence. So if a Tesla detects an obstacle in its way, it limits acceleration even if you mash the pedal. So you're going to come right here where it says autopilot in the main menu. You're going to scroll down where you see obstacle aware acceleration. And from there, you just want to toggle that right on. And this prevents a lot of parking lot disasters. And did you know that all Teslas have automatic door unlock? So God forbid again, if you should get into a severe car accident, your Tesla doors will automatically unlock in this way, just in case if someone would need to get into the car to check on you or something like that. This will save time and it also save lives because now they don't have to try to break a window or break inside of the car to check on whoever is inside of the car. And your Tesla also has post collision braking. And what this does is, God forbid, you get into an accident, your Tesla will automatically apply the brakes to reduce secondary impacts as well. Just say if you hit a car, that car go out of the way, your Tesla will begin to automatically apply the brakes to reduce that secondary impact. And a lot of people don't know that this exists until it saves their life. Also, inside of your Tesla, you have a blind spot chime as well. So, just say, especially if you're on the interstate and you're about to switch lanes and you need that audio warning as well, you can turn that on. And this is exactly how you would do that. On the main menu, go down to safety, and from safety, where you see blind spot collision warning chime, just be sure that's toggled on and you are good to go. So, if any of these tips helped you and you have a Tesla, be sure you share this. Or even if you don't have a Tesla, you know someone that has a Tesla and they need to know this information, be sure you share this information with them as well. Check out more videos right over there, all things related to your Tesla and your finances. And I will see you in the next video.